Hello students, Logan Phillips here, Professor P. This video we'll be talking about your capstone project. So at this point in the class, you have finished everything. You are done to the very last few pieces. So we start off with the assignment modules. We scroll all the way to the very bottom. Now we have 3 pieces inside of our capstone module. 2 of them are very important. You'll notice one's worth 50 points, one's worth 100 points. The 50-point one is like our guided project. I will give you some instruction, but not a whole lot. I will not handhold you through these 2 projects. This is a cumulative assessment of all the knowledge from the entirety of the class in a real world application. So you will be using PowerPoint, Word, Excel, Access. You'll be using all the skills that you've learned through all the chapters, through all the books to create a document, upload it, and present it to me. Now, these capstones are your highest point values in the class and show that you have mastered the content. This is what everything is really graded off of at this single point. So for these projects, one thing to keep in mind, because we're using Microsoft Access, you must utilize a PC to complete these 2 assignments. You cannot use an Apple computer or a Mac computer to complete the capstone projects. So you're going to either need to come in to the computer labs at the campuses, or you're going to find someone's computer with Access 2019 or higher installed on the computer. With that, inside this, you're not going to get a lot of material. You got these 3 assignments. All you have to do is jump in, finish them, and you're done with the class. Now, there is a final piece here we call the final course review and reflection. Now, this is worth 15 points, 10 points on some classes. The final class review and reflection is your course survey. These are anonymous. I need you to go on to that link at the very top of your Blackboard site. You will see it in the last 2 weeks of class. That will tell you that you need to review the course. Now, in addition to that final class review and reflection, I'm going to ask you to please go on the left-hand side to the Rate My Professor link. Go to that page and rank the class on the Rate My Professor. Now, this does 2 things for me. One, it shows that you guys are actually engaged, that you've seen the classwork, you accomplished it. But 2, my goal is always to evolve and make the classroom better. So those surveys are incredibly important to me. Everything that we do here, from the open deadline to the no late penalties, to the assignment modules, to the lecture series, was all from class rates and reviews from previous students. This class evolves every semester based on your input. So please go up to the top of that link, click on the course review, make sure you finish out your review, and then jump over to that Rate My Professor page and let future students know what you thought of the course, how it went, and of course tell me anything that you think I need to improve. If you see an issue or thought something was wrong, tell me so that I can fix it, make it better so the class evolves and gets better functioning for each semester of some students after this. Guys, with that, 2 assignments, 1 review, done with the class. Close the browser, and you can walk away with it. Once you've done that, you can always go and check. Make sure you always go and check your student grades. Jump in, you'll see at the very top your total column. It will tell you exactly how many points you have. Remember that in this class, we are 1,000 possible points with a traditional grading scale. So 0 points to 599.99 is an F. 600 points to 699.99 is a D. 700 points to 799.99 is a C. 800 to 899.99 is a B. 900 to 1,000 is an A. I do not round points, so if you have a 799.99, you will get a C in the class. Make sure if you have that type of thing going on, you jump in, you look at some of those old assignments, you make sure that your point value in this column is exactly where you want it to be before you walk away from this class. With that, finish those 2, check your grades, make sure you're happy with it, accomplish anything you need to do, retouch anything you need to do, then walk away and know that you've accomplished a good class, you've done all the work, and you're where you need to be. Guys, I hope you have a very fruitful day. If you need me, reach out. My email is logan.phillips1@tulsacc.edu, and you can reach me at any time. Just send me questions. I'll answer them as fast as I can. Have a very fruitful day. Bye, guys.